Tired of juggling multiple chargers for your gaming devices? This multi-USB charging cable lets you charge up to 5 devices at once, including Nintendo NDS Lite, Wii U, PSP 1000, 2000 3000, and Game Boy Advance SP. Imagine powering your entire gaming setup with just one cable. No more clutter or tangled cords. Designed to be compact and lightweight, this cable saves precious space in your bag. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, it's easy to carry and use without the hassle of multiple cords. It's a simple solution for anyone who needs to keep several devices ready to go without extra bulk. The cable works seamlessly with any USB power source. Plug it into a wall charger, car charger, laptop, or power bank, whatever fits your situation. This flexibility means you're never stuck without power, whether on the road or relaxing at home. Despite its slim profile, this charger is built tough. It supports charging 5 devices simultaneously with a stable and fast charging speed of up to 2A. That means your devices get the power they need quickly and efficiently, so you spend less time waiting and more time playing. Safety is a top priority with this cable. Made from high-quality wire core materials, it protects both the cord and your devices during charging. You won't have to worry about overheating or damage, giving you peace of mind while you power up. Users across the United States have praised this cable for its versatility and reliability. One gamer shared how it perfectly charged their 3DS XL using a battery charger and later powered their Wii U gamepad during play with both a battery charger and USB wall charger. The cable delivered consistent performance every time. The only common wish? Some users would prefer a longer version of the cable. Still, even at its current length, it's an excellent choice for anyone needing a multi-connector USB cable that works with a variety of devices. What you get is a single, streamlined cable that replaces multiple chargers. This not only cuts down on clutter but also makes charging easier and more efficient. Whether you're a dedicated gamer or someone juggling several portable devices, this cable simplifies your setup. Why does this matter? Because having a reliable, multi-device charger means less downtime and more convenience. You can keep your devices powered no matter where you are, which is especially important for gaming sessions, work, or travel. If you're ready to upgrade your charging game, this cable is worth a look. It's designed to handle multiple devices without compromising speed or safety, and it fits easily into any lifestyle that demands versatility and convenience. Imagine packing light for your next trip or simply clearing up your workspace with one cable that does it all. This USB charging cable makes that possible, providing a neat, efficient way to stay powered up without the mess. Try it when you're ready to cut down on charger clutter and keep your devices charged and ready. It's a straightforward solution that works with some of the most popular gaming devices and more. In a world where we rely on multiple gadgets, having a dependable charging cable that supports 5 devices at once is a real advantage. It's not just about convenience, it's about making your tech life smoother and more manageable. Don't settle for carrying around a tangle of cords or waiting for devices to charge one at a time. This multi-USB charging cable offers a practical, durable option that meets your needs without compromise. Keep your Nintendo NDS Lite, Wii U, PSP, and Game Boy Advance SP all powered with one cable that's ready to go wherever you are. Its compatibility and performance make it a smart addition to your tech accessories. With high-quality materials and a design focused on safety, you can trust this cable to protect your devices while delivering reliable power. That's a benefit that matters when you're investing in your gaming and mobile gear. If that's you, someone who values efficiency, safety, and simplicity, this multi-charging cable fits perfectly. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in how you manage your devices daily. Ready to simplify your charging routine? This cable brings together convenience, speed, and durability in one package. It's a practical choice for anyone looking to power multiple devices without the hassle.